In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through why you should create a digital product today. So make sure you stay tuned to learn more about it. Like always, guys, I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description. Make sure you check that out at the end of the video. And if you haven't already, go and subscribe to the channel, be a part of that notification squad, and also too, check out our Patreon account. Let's get straight into the video. Reason number one, passive income. Everyone loves passive income for the most part. And I'm not talking about passive income where you sit on the beach somewhere and money just fly over you. I mean from the standpoint of that you put a certain set of work into it, and then from that standpoint, it makes generate money on top of you without you actively trying to make the money come in. I don't mean from ads, I mean from literally going out and trying to make it sell that way too as well. And your time is not coordinated to the actual selling it. So you might have an ad running, you might have a whole bunch of automation, some type of sales cycle, something like that, a funnel that goes and drives our traffic in, and basically if you take a day off, you don't lose money from that day. So that's what I mean from passive. There's tons of ways you can do that with digital products and stuff like that. Courses on Udemy, courses on your own blog, courses on Skillshare, whatever you want to do courses at, and something like that. You can do stuff on the lines of going through and selling, selling podcasts. I mean, more like pod courses. I would call them, because they're more like voice courses where people can download them and learn what they need to learn on a vocal standpoint. Now people are attacking this right here, this industry, but I think this is going to be something that's very huge and very big that a lot of people are not even looking to do in the future, but it's something very interesting that you possibly can't do in the future. I think it's going to be very immense. You can make a lot of passive income from doing this right here too as well. So if you have a job, you have a 8 to 5 or anything along that lines too as well, you have limited time, you can put a little bit of effort, not a little bit, you put a good amount of effort into it, set up a system to keep driving leads and traffic and sales to it, so you can make money in the future. So even when you go to sleep, you can make some money. Reason number two, because most times they're low cost or even free to make. If you have the skills, then they're completely free to make. So software, you building stuff and you make, and you do it all by yourself, and you have all the skills to do it, then it's really free to make that part. Or if you're doing an ebook, you can always hire or get someone else to go build it on Upwork, on Fiverr, any of these sites like this right here, to help you basically build out what you want to do right here. And I really like this point. These are products from other products. Is the whole point. They're very scalable and they can do a lot of stuff for you, and it doesn't cost you anything to reproduce and recreate it and to resell it and really help you build out your business more. So something I think people is looking into too as well, because they don't cost as much and a lot of people need them, and you can distribute it across the world. Reason number three, the scalability. Once you get it to work and you start selling like a little bit a day, or once every week, or depending on what the price of your actual item is, you can start putting stuff into place, adding more sales funnels, areas, so you can send them to the sales funnel to start generating and scaling them up as much as possible. Because basically, the more you sell, besides advertising and any support costs you may have for that part right there, there's no money to recreate your course that you already filmed and already uploaded. There's no extra money for you to to basically give someone a link to your podcast or your course, or whatever you want to call it, or to get access to your ebook or to your audio book, whatever you want to do right there. You have the scalability to scale up as much as possible, and really to do as much as you possibly can and sell as many as you possibly can at the lowest possible cost than selling something that has a physical good. Because you think about it, if you're selling a shoe, and you're selling that shoe right there, every time you make that shoe, it costs you money to make that shoe. Think about this right here. You're selling the image. You have one image and you just clone and reselling that same image over and over and over and over and over and over. You see that there's a lot more profit in there, and the only really expense you have is from the standpoint of your hosting and your marketing expense. Like always, guys, hope these tips really help you out and help you figure out that you guys need to be creating digital products. And guys, if you haven't already, go in and hit that subscribe button, join the squad, notification squad. Check out our Patreon page. We have tons of stuff over there, courses, digital products over there that you guys can go through and do. And guys, I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and comment down below. I really want to know what you guys are thinking about and what digital products you guys want to do, and what reason is driving you to work with and using and creating digital products to sell. Please let me know down in the comments below. Like this if you like it, share this with a friend, and guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm Xavier Kelly. I'll see you in the next one.